Yes, some big breaking news coming in after Arjun Rampal. Now NCB summons his partner Gabriela Demetriades. She's now been summoned. Remember, Gabriela's brother Angie Cialos has also been arrested. His links with several peddlers and also some sources giving us information that Gabriela's brother has links with Africa and Southeast Asia, where he could be smuggling drugs in and out, synthetic drugs that's involved here. Gabriela has also now been summoned after Arjun Rampal. Arjun Rampal, his house was raided early this morning. They found some digital devices which they procured. They're trying to investigate if they see they're going to find some links out of that. The NCB sleuths have also summoned Arjun Rampal. Now information coming in that Arjun Rampal's girlfriend has also been summoned. Gabriela has also been summoned with regards to the drug nexus within Bollywood. Here is Arjun Rampal first, who was summoned on the 11th of November. That's Wednesday, day after. And now Gabriela, his girlfriend, also has been summoned by the NCB sleuths. Remember, this comes in the backdrop of the NCB cracking a whip on the Bollywood drug mafia, which they claim has spread far and wide within Bollywood industry, where several links have surfaced. Remember, several stars have already been probed, including Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet Singh. These are those whose chats were retrieved and eventually they were summoned, they were questioned and let go. Now, Arjun Rampal's house was raided, and also this comes in the backdrop of Feroz Nadiadwala, who's a top Bollywood director, ace director there. His house was also raided and his wife has been arrested. Now you have Arjun Rampal being summoned by the NCB sleuths. His girlfriend, Gabriela, has also now been summoned. Devyesh joining us live for more details. Devyesh, now after Arjun Rampal being summoned by the NCB sleuths, his girlfriend, Gabriela, has also been summoned. Again, no surprises there. Gabriela's brother has already been arrested over links to several peddlers and his connect with Africa and Southeast Asia, where he could be possibly dealing with drugs back and forth. That's the information that we've got.
Nabila, NCB officials had clearly stated that Agesialos Demetriades, who's the brother of Gabriela is the live-in partner of Arjun Rampal, and Agesialos' links with cartels from Southeast Asia and Africa are being probed by the Narcotics Control Bureau. NCB officials speaking to India Today had clearly stated that Agesialos was exporting banned synthetic drugs from India to countries in Africa, to countries in Southeast Asia through these cartels. And now his links with local peddlers, locally operating peddlers like Omeka Godwin, who's a Nigerian national dealing into cocaine, has come to light. And that is why he was arrested in a second case by the NCB. Narcotics Control Bureau interrogated him, and that is when Arjun Rampal's name came to light, and his residence has been searched today by NCB officials. Electronic gadgets like tablets and mobile phones have been seized by NCB. That has been brought to the NCB office. Some banned items, some banned controlled suspicious items have been brought, which are being analyzed right now on what kind of products are those, whether they are banned or not banned under NDPS. That is being analyzed by the Narcotics Control Bureau officials. Remember, they have testing kits which can analyze banned items.
Right.
And through these testing kits, these items are being analyzed. But on November 11th, Arjun Rampal and Gabriela both have to appear before the NCB. They have to join investigation where they'll be questioned regarding their alleged links to drug peddlers. That is what the NCB is being investigating right now. And they'll be questioned on the November 11th. And summons have
Stay with us. It's not just Gabriela and Arjun Rampal who's in the dock now. We also have Bollywood's top producer, Feroz Nadiadwala, who's also being grilled by the NCB. Feroz Nadiadwala is being grilled in connection to the Bollywood drug case. Yesterday, the NCB conducted searches at his Mumbai residence and seized 10 grams of ganja. They even arrested his wife, Shabana Saeed, after grilling her for over 4 hours. Shabana has now been sent to 14-day judicial custody. NCB on Saturday carried out multiple raids in Mumbai and seized a total of 717 grams of marijuana, 74 grams of hashish, 95 grams of MDMA, and around 3.5 lakh 58,000 in cash. Now here, NCB has nabbed 4 more accused linked to this case. Divyesh, take us through. Feroz Nadiadwala also in the dock. He's been questioned currently. His wife has been arrested. What more do we know of his involvement in this drug nexus? We understand there was a lot of banned substances that were procured from his house during raids by the NCB.
Nabila, NCB officials carried out multiple raids on Saturday evening, night, and then they came to know of Shabana Saeed, who's the wife of Feroz Nadiadwala. A search was conducted at the Juhu-based residence of Feroz Nadiadwala, and based on that, a recovery of 10 grams of marijuana was done at their residence. Shabana Saeed was issued a notice. She was called to the NCB office, where she was grilled for around 4 hours, and after which NCB officials placed Shabana under arrest. Today she was produced in court, where she was sent to judicial custody by the Metropolitan Magistrates Court. She's applied for bail, and the bail order has been kept for hearing tomorrow at the Metropolitan Magistrates Court. Meanwhile, Feroz Nadiadwala was not in Mumbai yesterday when the searches happened, when Shabana was arrested. He arrived today. A summons was issued to Feroz Nadiadwala to join investigation. He arrived today in Mumbai, and at around 12:30 p.m. Feroz Nadiadwala arrived at the NCB office, and he's right now being grilled by NCB officials. Zonal Director Samir Wankhede and his team are presently interrogating, questioning Feroz Nadiadwala for his alleged possible links with drug peddlers. Remember, Abdul Wahid Sheikh alias Sultan Mirza, a top drug peddler from Mumbai, had been arrested on Friday, based on which multiple raids were conducted at various locations. And sources have stated that it was from Abdul Wahid's interrogation, names of Shabana Saeed and Feroz Nadiadwala came to light, and based on that, searches were conducted at their residence, which led to recovery of 10 grams of marijuana.
Now we understand that here is Feroz Nadiadwala is also going to be grilled by the NCB sleuths. It's going to be tough for them to answer clearly about the drugs that have been procured from their home. Now, thank you very much, Divyesh, for joining us with those details. Let's see what happens next. NCB alerting details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.